Hello, fourth graders, Mrs. Nelson here, and we are going to be working on finding missing angles. Your goal for this lesson is to find missing angles. You can find missing angles. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. There are going to be a couple of tools you are going to need for this to be successful. One is a whiteboard or dry erase marker. The second could be a pencil and a piece of paper. Please find those supplies right now. Pause the video while we do that. All right, so once you have your supplies in hand, we are going to draw some angles. All right, so we'll start in black, and I'm just going to draw an angle kind of looking like this. Okay? And I'm going to label it. This is going to be P, Q, R, and this here will be S. Okay? And so this is going to be the vertex here, the vertex for all of them. And then this is the S angle, the P angle, and the R angle. All right, so now what is going to happen here is you're going to have to try to find the missing angles. But I'm going to give you some information. I'm going to give you the information just for the, I'm going to say, okay, here's P, Q, R. I'm going to tell you the answer to PQR. Okay, so the answer to PQR, the size of that angle, P, so the angle of PQR is going to equal 125. Now, I'm also going to give you some nice information because we have to give you something. I am also going to give you the angle for PQS. I'm going to tell you what that is. So, the angle for PQS, I'm going to write that in a slightly different color. The angle for PQS is going to be about 93 degrees, or excuse me, 93 degrees. So, then, I ask you, you have got to find the angle for SQR. That's what your job is, okay? So now, to find the angle for SQR, you already know that the big angle, everything all together, if you were to add the missing angle for the 93 plus something, has to equal 125 because that's everything. Because this missing angle plus this missing angle, well, that's not a missing angle, but that angle, so the missing angle plus, so this angle right here plus this angle right here have to equal 125. You can know that. So everything has to equal 125. And you know that this angle right here equals 93. So then, how much more do you need from 93 to get to 125? Well, you can either add up or you can subtract. So if you take 125 and subtract off 93, well, you are going to get, so 5 minus 3 equals 2. 12 minus 9 equals, as far as I know, 3. So this will be 32 degrees. So the angle for SQR is going to be 32 degrees. And then the angle that for here, I already gave you, that's 93 degrees. And then both of them all together, 93 plus 32 should give you your 125. So let's take a look at another angle, shall we? And we're going to draw this one out here. And we're going to say that this is going to be, I'm betting some of you recognize it. So this is going to be a right angle, TUV. So the angle for the inside angle for TUV equals 90 degrees. You know that, okay? And then, if you have the angle, we are going to add an angle here. I'm going to put it in red. So then, right here is going to be TUVW. So I'm going to give you the angle for W. So W, I'm giving you the angle for WUV. And that's going to equal 80. Okay, so that will equal 80. So from here to here will equal 80 degrees. Okay, and if you add in TUV, you know that that's 90, so you have to find the missing angle right here. And you have to find the angle for TUW. And if I took 90 and took 80 away, that would be 10 degrees. Okay? So if I add 80 plus 10, it's 90. That equals the whole thing. All right, so your job then is you're going to come over to Edulastic and find the missing angles. Have a question? See a teacher. Thanks.